Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying a bunch of new products that I got from Ulta. First off, starting with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I've been wanting to try this for mad long. As you can tell, it's burning me a little bit. It really does not burn that bad, but it did give me a reaction that I'm still dealing with like a week later. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in Matte and Poreless while my lips are burning. I like to start by putting it on the back of my hand and then putting some with my finger and then blending it out. This is just how I've always done my foundation. Then I'm going to use a buffer brush from AOA. I'll put the link in the description for SHOPMISSA because I know you couldn't see the number of the brush, but I just buff it out. I got this tip from a Kim Kardashian makeup tutorial. All of the Kardashians use like brushes like this for their foundation. Cover tip concealer from the Saem. This is available on YesStyle, and I'm using the shade 1.5 to cover my under eyes and any acne scars that the foundation did not cover. And then I'm going to use a blender from AOA. Then I'm going to be using the Morphe Babe in Paradise palette. This is a Bretman Rock palette that my friend Pamela got me years ago. Shout out to Pamela. I've been using this as my bronzer for literally years, and they don't sell this palette anymore. And I also use the highlight from it. You might be wondering why I'm putting highlight first. I just wanted to use everything from the palette all at once. Then I'm going to use the Etude House Play Color Eyes in Cafe, I think. These are not that pigmented, so I like to use it for nose contour. And I'm going to be using this eyebrow powder from AOA just to have a more natural brow than I usually do. I'm just using the lighter and darker powders. Then I wanted to try the Madison Beer Morphe palette. I saw it had a lot of bad reviews. I'm using it just because this is like a natural look, so I'm going in with like a light brown in my crease and angling the ends upward to just lift my eyes a little bit. Then I'm going to use a smaller brush from Morphe. I've never tried a Morphe brush before actually. And then I'm going to use like a darker brown in the corners of my eyes and angle it up as well. Then I'm using this white shimmer, and I like putting shimmers on with my fingers because I feel like the glitter applies better. These lashes are from Aliexpress, and I'm going to use the glue from AOA. Then I'm wiping off that lip plumper. I'm using these high shine lipsticks from WetnWild. The first one is the shade Sold Out, and the second one is the shade Meet at Sahara. And I like putting the darker color in the middle. That is it for the makeup. Now I'm going to show you my outfit. Oh, let me use my Morphe setting spray. I haven't had setting spray for years. Now for my outfit, I'm going to show you all the details. This tank top is from Tina Mojo's merch, Sir Dizzy merch. Hoodie is from Harley Davidson. I bought it on Depop. Shorts I'm wearing are the matching set with the tank top, and I'm also wearing a crystal necklace from Etsy, a necklace from Guess, and earrings from Guess as well. Thank you so much for watching.